wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Noah?
Oh, hi, Olivia.
Hi, Noah. What are you doing?
I'm testing out gravity.
Ooh. What's that mean?
Before I tell you, we should probably say hi to the kids, shouldn't we?
Oh! Hi, kids. I didn't see you there.
Hi, kids!
Hi, kids!
From A to Z,
From east to west,
I'm Noah.
I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to
Dream again!
Yay! And we're doing again some
Science!
science! Science!
Science!
Super excited about science.
Super excited about science.
I love science. This is not singing science.
Good thing that was hard.
This is not singing science.
Okay. Is there a singing science?
No.
Oh.
And this is not your sing-along session.
Oh.
This is my Noah Great Adventure Science Project!
Noah! Great Adventure Science Project!
So,
Nice.
what I have here is a rock. And
Yeah.
a feather.
Ooh. Mm-hmm.
Did you see what happened with that?
Yeah, they fell.
Do you know why it fell?
Because you dropped it?
Because that's what we call gravity.
I don't understand.
Gravity is the force by which a planet or other body draws objects towards its center. So, why, for example, do you land on the ground when you jump up?
Oh,
You don't know, right?
I don't know.
Why do things fall down when you throw them or drop them?
I always thought it was just because you dropped it. Wow. So why does it fall down? Ooh. That one's slower.
Yeah, exactly. The rock goes down very, very fast. And the feather falls down a little bit slower.
Whoa.
It's what we call gravity.
Yeah.
Gravity is an invisible force
Oh.
that pulls objects towards each other.
Oh.
And what are the objects in here? It's the table and, for example, the feather
Wow.
or the rock.
Ooh.
And because the rock is a little bit heavier in weight than the feather,
Yeah.
it falls down faster.
Oh, I see.
But you also want to know why this table doesn't fall in the direction of the rock or the feather, right?
Yeah, I do.
That is that invisible force,
Wait.
gravity.
Yeah, but Noah, I mean.
The table is a larger mass, right?
Oh.
It weighs more. It's thicker. It's fatter.
Oh. Okay.
And because of that, the other object, which is either our feather or a rock, falls down because they both attract each other. They both basically fall together.
Okay, so the table doesn't fall up to the feather because the feather's littler?
Exactly.
Ooh, that's neat.
Pretty cool, huh?
Very cool.
And exactly this gravity is what keeps you on the ground and what makes things fall.
Whoa.
So, Earth, for example, the planet, Mother Earth, what we live on,
Yeah.
it's way, 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 way bigger than us,
Yeah,
right?
it's so big because everybody lives on it.
Exactly. And it's so much bigger that every individual person doesn't float up into the sky,
Yeah.
but falls on and stays on the ground.
That's true.
That's gravity.
That's awesome. So like when I jump in the air, that's gravity that keeps me down?
Exactly.
Wow.
So, we're going to show with an experiment that we planned, the kids.
Oh, I remember this.
Exactly. So we're going to show the kids how this works, right?
Okay, yes.
By an experiment we're calling traveling water.
Traveling water.
Why don't you tell the kids what we need and what they need to get at home in order to do this experiment at home?
All right, so what you need is
one glass jar,
two
glass jars,
glass jars,
two.
and a piece of string.
How long does that
yarn.
string need to be?
Oh, about 12 inches long.
12 inches long.
And then a little bit of tape.
A little bit of tape.
And a little bit of water, like maybe half a jar or a little bit less.
Okay, so
Right.
2 glasses of...
2 jars or glasses.
Sorry.
It doesn't matter.
2 jars or 2 glasses. Yarn,
Yarn,
water,
water,
tape.
tape.
You got that, kids?
Yes.
Go get those items at home
Go get them.
because you can do this at home.
You can do this at home and it's very easy.
So we're going to quickly set up on our side here.
Yay.
You go get him and we'll be right back.
Yeah, and come back and join us for this one.
Exactly, this is going to be fun.
This is going to be really fun.
Gravity.
Gravity.
Science.
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 We're making water travel.
We're making water travel with science.
Woohoo.
Woohoo. Science.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
The first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour some water into one of the jars. Just like this. It can be a quarter full. It doesn't have to be more than that. And then we are going to take the yarn and submerge it into the water. And then once it's been in the water, we take it out. We take one end of the string and take some tape. So once this side has been taped, we take the other end of the string and tape it at the lip of this glass, just right here. And then I'm just going to hold it just like that. So this jar stays on the table and this one I lift up and then just very carefully make the water travel. Kids, do you see that? Do you see the water traveling into the jar?
Wow.
Did you see that?
Yeah, that was really neat.
Did you see the water travel from one glass to the other one?
And it all went on the string. It didn't just fall everywhere like I thought it might.
And we decided to take a shorter cup just because it was easier to put the string into.
Yeah, the other one wasn't sticking well.
Yeah, my fingers are too short. The string, I couldn't put the string all the way in the bottom. And even though Mom helped, but she said to take the smaller cup. It's better.
Yeah, it was a good idea.
So,
So,
do you want to know what was happening?
yes, I do.
Water is really good at sticking to itself, right?
Uh-huh.
And sticking to surfaces like fabric.
Oh,
Like
and
the
string, right?
Exactly.
Oh.
The drops of water stick to the string because of forces called gravity.
Gravity!
The gravity pulls the water down, and when you tilt the string, the droplets travel down and can even move from one cup to another. What we saw.
Oh, that's really cool.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, very cool.
So, we learned something new again.
Yeah, we learned all about gravity, and about water sticking to itself, and about jumping. Well,
Why, when we jump, we don't float in the sky, but land on the ground?
yeah, which is kind of like learning about jumping.
Kind of.
Kind of.
But that maybe we can learn in another episode.
Oh.
How to do really cool and nice jumps.
Okay, that sounds great.
I think for today, our kids learned a lot again.
Ooh, yeah, it sounds like everybody learned a ton. I know I did.
Cool. Well, I think that's it for today's show, kids. Thank you for watching Dream Again, and see you next time! Bye!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!